Hello friends, welcome to another Resolved tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to view data stored in JPG image files created by digital cameras, such as information about the device used, the date and location of the photo. ExifDataView is a free software that you can use freely at home or in your company. This software runs on Windows computers. It is one of the best applications you can use on your computer. ExifDataView is a small utility program that reads and displays Exif data stored in JPG image files created by digital cameras. It is very easy to use. Let's get started right away. Search for nirsoft ExifDataView on the Google search engine. Go to nirsoft.net from the results and download the free ExifDataView program from the site. You can find the links related to the mentioned in this video in the video description link below. The first thing you need to do is download the correct version. I am using a Windows 64-bit computer, so I will click on the Windows 64-bit version. If you are using a different operating system, it is important to download the version that suits you. ExifDataView also supports other languages. After downloading the program, extract it from the zipped file and open it by double-clicking. That's it. In the opened window, click on the Open option to select the photo for which you want to read Exif data, and you can easily view the information of the selected photo. I'm leaving the link where you can download the program for free in the description of our video. Don't forget to like the video if it helps you. Subscribe to my Resolve channel for more informative and tutorial videos. Thank you very much for watching.